My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is nested if? Nested, or we already know about if means if the condition is true, then it will execute the block of the if code or block of statement of if. Okay. And if the condition is false, then it will go for else, means if there is any else. Now, what is nested if? Nested if means nothing else, it's just if within if. Okay, it's like a nest. The syntax of nested if, like if, then condition any, again if, condition, if, condition, like means go on. That's the thing. Now I will show you one code that is one number that is positive plus it's greater than 100, also it's greater than 500, also it's greater than 1000. Okay, like that. Now just take one number equal to int input, enter a number. Here it's it int means I will take one integer input. Input means I will take one input from user and enter a number. It's a line, means it's a printing statement, means what you want to do, that like that. Okay, enter a number. Then first we check the number is positive or anything else. If the number greater than 0, that's the condition of positive values. If it's greater than 0, then the number is positive. Then print the number is positive. Now next line is also I have to check it's greater than 50 or not. Then I have to put one extra condition here, that is number greater than 50. Okay, now print the number is greater than 50. Again, I want to check the number is greater than 100 or not. Then if num greater than 100, then print the number is okay. Now I take one number, that is -8. Okay. It will print nothing. Why? Because I just took one number, that is -8. -8 obviously is less than 0, not greater than 0. That's why it doesn't go in the loop. It just execute all the program and print nothing. Okay. Now if I took one number like 7, 8 or 15. Now see what's happened. 15 is greater than 0. It will go in the first if condition, means the condition is true. Sorry, the condition is true, then it just print the number is positive. Again is check the next if condition. Okay, 15 greater than 50, 50. That's not possible, means the condition is false. That's why it's breaking up the loop, means if loop statement, and it just print one statement only, that is the number is positive. Okay, now if I take like 65, now check. First 65. 65 is greater than 0, means number is 65, then 65 is greater than 0, then that's why it's print the number is positive. Now it will check for next if condition. So that is 65 greater than 50. The condition is also true. That's why it print the number is greater than 50. Again, it's check the next if condition. 50 greater than 100. Is it possible? It's not possible. That's why it's break the if condition and just execute the program and print the true statement, that is the number is positive and the number is greater than 50. That's called the nested if. What is that? It's just if within if, like that. It's a like of nest or something. Okay, means that's why actually we told it's a nested leaf. It's look like nest. Okay, now nested if else. Nested if else. Give me one question. Give me one program. Nested if else. Okay. Program is if sum of any range check even odd. Okay. Now take one number. Number. You know about slash n, means backslash n, why we use it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Backslash n is for new line.
Yeah, next line. Good. Okay, now if the number check the positive even and odd. Okay, now if the number is greater than 0, then positive else is okay. If the number is positive, then check also the number is even or odd. Now you guys tell me. Oh, sorry. Action, hold on, huh? Now I take 0. Then what it will print? Guys tell me. You guys tell me. Just see the program and tell me the answer. I took as a input is 0. Then what it
The
will
number
print?
is non-positive.
The number is not positive. Because 0 is divisible by any number. Correct? Why the number is also print the number is positive even? Why? Already?
Else condition executed.
Yeah. Tell me the explanation.
And because if condition is false here,
If condition is false here, 0 is not equal to 0.
no, second if condition.
Second if condition not true. I already told na 0 is divisible by any number. Then 0 is also divisible by 2 na.
Yes, ma'am.
Any number means we can't divisible any number by 0. But 0 is divisible by any number. Okay. Means 0 divided by anything. A, because A is a character or string. But if I will take 5 or 6 or any kind of number, see, it's divisible. Minus 8, see, it's divisible. Means any kind of number, 0 is divisible of any kind of number, some floating number. 1, 2, 3. See, it's 0.0. But any number means we can't divide any number by 0. Like 8 divisible by 0. It's okay. Got it? Yeah. Now here I take 0. 0 is obviously means not greater but equal to, na, 0 is equal to 0. That's why it's print the number is non-positive. It's correct. Then 0 divisible by 2. Obviously 0 is divisible by 2. That's why it just print the number is positive even. Okay. Now I take minus 1, 1, 2. What it will print?
Negative even.
Negative even. Okay, good. Only the negative even.
And the number is
No,
positive even.
Okay, number is positive means
Negative even.
what I take? Number is positive even or number is negative even or anything else?
The number is negative as well as it is negative even.
Right. Perfect. The number is negative as well as the number is negative even.
Yes.
Because the number is minus 1, 2, 2, 4, in whatever, it's obviously not greater equal to 0. It's obviously less than 0. That's why it's first it's print the number is negative. Next means it will check the next if condition. It will means 1, 2, 2, 4 is obviously divisible by 2 because the end of the 4 is 2. Okay, equal to 0. That's why it's print the number is negative even. Okay, now it's clear. I think nested if else if clear.
Yes.
Yeah, good. If elif we know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if elif we know, right? Then hold on. Where is the question? Okay. The question is, solve the question. Find if the given number is divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, that's my question. You have to solve it out. Easy question, huh? Answer fast. Yeah.
Logic, logic operator and logic operator.
You don't know about logical operator?
Yes, ma'am, I know. Ma'am, here we can use the or logic
Yeah,
operator.
yeah. You can use anything. Logical operator, arithmetic operator, membership operator, any operator. Any kind of loop statement, any kind of function, anything. No boundaries there. When you have completed, please let me know, okay?
I'm completed.
Wow, great. Share your screen. Show me. Okay. The number is, I told you, it means the number is maybe it's divisible by 3 or divisible by 9, not both. Okay. Means you can use all condition. Okay, it's okay, fine. Give one number. 31 1. Okay, means 131 times. Again, execute the program. Yeah. Oh, no. 131 times. Okay. Okay. Then execute it. No need to. Okay. Just put 3. Now you have to means use not and or. Okay. Means the number is maybe it's divisible by 3 or divisible by 9. The question is that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have done.
You also done? Show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Means, is there anything else? Your screen is not visible.
I'm here. This one.
Yeah. You wrong means, is your code running?
Ma'am, I don't have checked it.
Execute it first. Then I tell you the problem. Yeah. Got your problem?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, here.
Here means what is your problem? That's in or.
Ma'am, small.
Or not capital, it's small or.
Yes, ma'am. Oh,
Yeah.
small or. I know.
Yes. Now execute it. Same problem. Show me again. Show me. Yeah.
Ma'am, here
You just
direct.
use int, but when you take input from user, you have to use input in only for
Okay.
typecasting, nothing else.
Ma'am, here directly we can take input here.
Yeah, just take input,
Yes, ma'am.
input and bracket. No, bracket. Input is a method. Okay. Bracket, only bracket. Okay. Execute the program. Yeah. 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 বলুন আপনি কোথায় আছেন?
Not all argument converted during string information. Ma'am, why it is showing this?
জাস্ট হোল্ড অন। হ্যাঁ, লন্ডন বাড়ি থেকে একটা শিবকালী মন্দির আছে না? শিবকালী মন্দিরের অপোজিটে একটা অন্নপূর্ণা মেডিসিনারি আছে, মিন্স মেডিকেল, অন্নপূর্ণা মেডিকেল শপ। ওর পাশে একটা ন্যারো লেন আছে, মিন্স সরু গোল টাইপের সামথিং আছে। সোজা এলে একটা ইয়েলো কালারের বিল্ডিং পড়বে। ওকে, জাস্ট স্ট্রেট আসতে হবে, কোথাও কিছু নেই। তো ইয়েলো কালারের বিল্ডিং এর উল্টো দিকেই যে বাড়িটা, ওটা। হ্যাঁ। You just come and wait. Okay. Sorry?
Yeah.
Sure. Just hold on, huh? Goodness, oh my god.
You give the string type of input.
Ma'am, string type. Ma'am, here we have to give int.
Sorry, very sorry. Sorry. Now execute the program.
Ma'am, it is not running.
It is not running.
Yes, ma'am, it is not executing.
Okay. Just remove the brackets. In if no. Input is, you don't know about input. What is input function? Input is a function. So you have to put always after input one parenthesis. Okay. Parenthesis means open bracket. Yes. Remove the open bracket means open closed of both brackets. Remove the brackets from if means if space now first you stop your kernel means there is one rectangular box, solid rectangular box. Stop first there in your bar Jupyter notebook. No, that square box. After run, stop the kernel. Now execute the program only. It's running.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, it was running earlier also like this. But after I am giving input 9 here, it should print the number is divisible.
Why it's like printing like that? I tell you. First, tell me what is the type of input function? Means what is the default type of input function?
Now it's
Integer type.
integer type.
Integer type. Okay. Now it's check.
No, string type default.
It's string here. She has not provided int function before input.
Yeah, good. The default type is always strings. Means if you put it integer, then you have to put int here. If you want to take input as float, then you have to put float here. But if you don't provide any kind of typecasting here, then it just print string. Okay, the default type of input is string. Then string divisible by 3 or 9, obviously.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it's printing like that. Again, stop your kernel and typecasting your input. Means int input, int under the bracket input. Close one bracket. Yeah. Again enter.
Press enter.
Press enter.
Pressing
Yeah.
enter.
No. After running this code, you press enter. Select the line.
Okay. Just step by step. Okay. Just stop your kernel
Now
first.
run.
Yes, ma'am.
Then execute your program. Then means take input 1. Okay. Now enter, not run. Enter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now it's
Ma'am,
also.
can I share my screen, ma'am?
Yeah. Just hold on for it. Sake. Means obviously you can delete. You can share also, but just hold on for a sec. You can means all the time you have to do means click the run. Not like that. Okay. Just select your cell. Means go to your in 9 means 9 cell.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to stop kernel before executing the
No,
program?
because your code was running that time. That's why I told you the stop the kernel. Okay.
Okay.
Now just go in cell number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Now shift enter.
Sorry.
Shift enter.
If-
Shift enter. At the same time, shift enter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now put one value. Now enter. Enter. Yeah. Means always use shift enter. It's easy. Okay. Yeah. Tell me what the problem. Okay. Means now you can share.
And is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. The number percentage visible number. Okay, good. Else the number is not visible. Okay. Yeah, you are perfectly correct. Means yeah. Good, very good. First, the number is divisible by both, the number is divisible by 1 by 1, and the number is, yeah, good. Okay. Stop your screen. Now, looping concept and if else concept all are clear. Okay. Clear, na? Just tell me, yeah. Good. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now operator. What is the operator? Already I told you.
I cannot see you.
Yeah. Sorry. Say again.
I cannot see your screen.
You can share, means you can see my screen. Okay. It's visible now?
Now is easy.
Okay, sure. Arithmetic operator. What are the arithmetic operator only? Arithmetic operator are plus, minus, asterisk means multiplication, slash, percentile, float division, double asterisk. Already know about all the things. Plus is for addition. No, 5 plus 6, 1, and I just use variable here. Num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to 20, num1 plus num2 is 30. No. Now, I'll show you one thing here. There is one function also sum. Okay. Means we have to, using sum, we have to add more than 2 or more than 5, more than 10 numbers, infinite number of numbers. Okay, using sum. But sum is not an operator. Okay. Only the arithmetic operators are plus, minus, asterisk, division, percentile, floor, and double asterisk. But sum is the function. Okay. It takes two arguments. One is iterable and another one is start. You can use start also. You do means you have not to use the start also, means always, but it takes always one argument, that is iterable. And we already know what is iterable. Means it's a sequence of number or sequence of character, sequence of strings, means whatever we can iterate there, that is iterable. Okay. Iterable is like, I just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a tuple. What is tuple? I discuss you later. But now it's a means collection of numbers. Okay. It's also iterable. Sum1 equal to sum. That sum is small, means small letter, SUM. All are in small letter. Okay. Sum of iterable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the iterable. Sum of iterable, and print the variable. It's a variable where we can store our sum function and the iterable here, and print the sum1, that is 15. Understood what is sum function? So use. We already know about a list, right? List. We can take one list also, -1, comma, -2, comma, 4, 5, 5, 6, -8. Okay. Now use this sum2 equal to sum of L. Also, we can use one start here, means that is the start. Start is nothing but it's a number. It's just add with the iterable. Okay. Now I take 10. First, I have to check what is the addition. -1 -2 is -3. 5 and 6, 11, 11 and 4, 15. 15 to -3 means 12 and -8 means it's 4. Now 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. Now print sum2. Print sum2. It's 14. Clear? Means what is the start? Start is add with the iterable. Nothing else. Start is a value. What is add with this iterable? Okay, nothing else. And what is the iterable? Iterable means already know. And sum is a function. It takes always one argument, means one iterable. Okay. Next. Yeah.
Your question.
Yeah, say again. Say.
From where 10 is come? Here.
Sorry.
Ma'am, in the sum 2 here, sum iterable and 10.
Yes. L is the iterable and 10. What is the sum of L? First try that. What is the sum of L? It's 4. And start is what? It's just add with L. Means what is start? 10. 10 plus 4. What is the number? Number is 14. Now it's clear? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now is equal to sum of, if I take the collection of numbers, means no list, no means no iterable. I just want to take collection of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what happens? Oh, here is also there. Print is check. Sum takes at most always in your mind that just it at most 2 arguments. Okay, one is iterable and one is start. You can pass 1 argument also, but you can't pass more than 2 arguments. Okay, then it takes 2, means more than 2 arguments, 5 given. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I means pass 2 argument only, 1 and 2 means 2 numbers only, then what happens? It just throw an error. And what's the error? Error is int object is not iterable, because the iterable is not one integer. Means it's also one integer, but it's in the list or tuple or dictionary or string. Okay, like L equal to 1. It's also iterable. Check. See, it's print 3. It's also iterable because it's a list. Iterable means we can iterate over there. Okay. But here it's only 2 numbers, means integer numbers, 1 and 2. That's why it's throwing some error, means int object is not iterable. Clear my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now subtraction. Subtraction as same subtraction, means 18 minus 65 is 15 as usual. 15 minus 95 is minus 18 as usual. Subtraction is as usual same. Asterisk is also same. Division. The type of the means default type of the division is float. Okay, 0.25 always it's float. 25 by 5, it's 5.0, because the default value of return type of division is float. Okay, now it's also float.
But madam, if I want to integer print,
Okay, if you want to integer that, it's easy. Int typecasting.
oh, okay, okay.
Also
I know
means
it.
another thing also there. Maybe you forgot. 25 by 5. Floor division. Floor division always takes integer. Okay. Double slash. 5 by 3. It print 1.6667. Now I use floor division here. See, it only takes the integer values. Okay. You also typecasting here. Means you can do anything with that, means with the programming. See? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Means any number divisible by 0, it's not possible. That's why it's throw an error. And 0 is the divisible by, it's okay, already shown. Now percentile or modulus. Percentile means already we know. What is percentile? Tell me. What is percentile? Means why we use percentile?
Remainder comes 0, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, percentile is used for 0 remainder.
Percentile equal to 0 remainder means how? If
Remainder, ma'am.
a remainder, right? 3 percentile 2. Obviously, it's not 0, na?
Yes.
Then A equal to 5, B equal to 3. Then 5 percentile by 3 means 5 divisible by 3. What is the remainder? The output of the modulus or percentile is the remainder value, only the remainder value, nothing else. Seven by 4 means 4, 1, 4, 3. 3 is the remainder. Now check percentile. See, that's the remainder. Okay. Floor division, already I told you floor division. What is the floor division? Floor division is the integer value, right? And exponent. Exponent, though, already know about exponent also. It's double asterisk, means it's a power value. 2 to the power 3, 8. Okay, 5 to the power 3, 125. Double asterisk. Raised to or power or exponent, anything. There is also another approach. Okay, means power. Import math. Math is a library of Python. Okay, means one library of Python is math. Import the math library, and from the math library we can use the pow function. Pow function means it's also a method. Okay, and it takes two arguments. One is the value and one is index, means 5 to the power 3. Whatever in the to the power here, that is called index, means that's the 3, and it's the value power 2 to the power 3. That means it's, and the default type of, means default return type of pow function is float. Okay. Also, if we want to the integer value, then type custom here. Got it? Or you can so also import math d equal to math dot power, means we just calling the power function from math library. Okay, means the library and the function name math dot power function. 5 to the power 3. and print D. The return type of the power function is float. See, 125.0. Now there is one function that is round function. We also know about rounding up number, na? Know about rounding up number? Means
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3.567. Round up to 2 decimal point. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1234.57.
57. Good. 57. Right. Now 1, 2, 3. Round up to 4 decimal point.
123471.
Yeah. Right.
5 7
6,
5
7.
6 7 1
Okay.
7 1.
Means if the last value is 5 or more than 5, then we can add the last value plus 1. Okay. Understand, na? Means up to, I want up to 2 decimal point. That is the decimal point, and up to 2 decimal point means up to 6. Okay. Then the last value is 7. 7 is more than 6. More than 5, sorry. More than 5. Then we add 6 plus 1 means 1234.57. Here we want to 4 decimal point. Then the point is 5671. The means last after last value is 2. 2 is less than 5. That's why we can't add anything with the last value of decimal point. Okay, understood? I think so. It's the 6th standard syllabus. Okay. Now rounding up. Python have one function that is round function. Using that function, we can round up the number. Okay. If we don't pass any values like any decimal point, whatever we want the values, okay, then it just print the integer values. Okay. Round 65, it prints 65. Round 12, 0.569. Then it's will just print integer 1, 2, but the last value is 5. That's why we just add 2 plus 1, 13. Now 89.23, but the last value is less than 5. That's why we can't add here. Now use rounding function. First first argument is the number, and second argument is the in which number you want to take the value. Okay, that is the up to that number of decimal point. Means I want 3 decimal point, like that is the decimal point, and 1 2 3 3 decimal point. After 3 decimal point, the value is 7. It's more than 5. That's why we add 6 plus 1, 7. Means it print 1 2 3 4 5 7. Okay, now tell me the answer.
One two three dot 487.
487.
Yeah, good. Next one. Next one, first.
1.2538.
7.
Oh, sorry, 79.
Yeah. Next.
1.544865.
Yeah, leave it the integer term. Just tell me the means after decimal.
0.215879.
0.215879.
879.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
0.2159.
Yeah.
0.2159.
In which number decimal points? It's only 4. Now just counting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
4.
158.
215.
9 and 59.
Yes, ma'am.
0.2159.
Yeah. 2159 because 7 is more than 5. Always
Greater
take
than 5.
5 or more than 5. Okay. Check that. Next one.
0.215879.
Okay. Next one.
0.21.
0.21.
6.
Oh yes,
6. Yeah.
0.216.
Yes. Now it's for 1, 3, 4, 6.
1, 3, 4, 6.
Now there is also two function, float and cell function. Okay. Now what is float function? What is cell function? That is also rounding function. Okay. But that works different. Float function is it's rounded down integer not greater than x. First, what is down integer and not greater than x? I'll tell that. To 2.53. Okay. My value is 2.5. Okay. Down integer is less than that value. But after means next integer after the value. Okay. In between 2 and 2.5, there is any integer? What is the integer first? 1, 2, 3, 4 means it's not like minus infinite, then dot, then -1, 0, like that. -2. Okay. That's called the integer, minus infinite to infinite. All the discrete values means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the discrete point, not the decimal point. All the discrete values are called integer. Means negative integer called negative integer and positive values are called positive integer, and with including 0 means positive with include 0, that's called the non-negative integer. Okay. Now in between 2.5 and 2, is there any integer?
No.
No. And 2.5 and 3, is there any integer? No. Means the next integer is after the value, the next integer is 2 and the next integer is 3. Means in left side integer is 2 and right side integer is 3. Okay. Now the down integer not greater than x means if my means if x equal to 2.5, then down integer is less integer. Here it's 2. Okay, up integer is greater integer. Here it's 3. Okay, but we have to take the next integer. That's the float function. Always float function take down integer means left side integer. Okay, not greater than x. Now it's also from math library. Okay, math.float -53.3. What is the down integer of -53.3? Tell me first.
50 minus 52.
minus 52. Okay, anything else?
No, I'm sorry, minus 54. 54.
Yes, minus 52 is greater than minus
Greater,
53.
greater. Yes.
Yeah. Then it print what? It's always print the down integer, means it's minus 54. Okay. Now, if x equal to 280.26, then what is the down integer of that value?
280.
280, right? Good. 280. And that's also 400. That is the floor function. It takes the down integer, means if the value is minus, then obviously it's minus 54, then 280, then 400. Okay.
Can you please explain it once again?
Okay. No. Who is the biggest? Tell me first.
Minus 100.
Minus 100. Okay, good. Then here the number is minus 53.03. The next integer, means next biggest integer of minus 53.3 is what?
Biggest integer of minus 3.03.
Yes. Greater or next greater integer, means what is the next greater integer?
52.
52.
Minus 52.
Okay, let's see. Minus 52. Then what is the least integer? Less.
Minus 54.
Minus 54. Then where is the minus 53?
In between minus
Greater integer
54 to
53,
minus 52.
Just hold on. Please tell her. Say again. Where is the minus 53?
It is in between minus
minus
54 to minus 52.
Minus 52. No. Say. Come again.
It is in between minus 54 and minus 52.
No. I just see one thing. In 2 and 2.5, is there any integer?
No, ma'am.
No. 2.5 to 3, is there any integer?
No, ma'am.
You have to take always next integer, not next after next integer. Means you have to take always next integer. Okay. Now minus 54 to minus 53.0. Okay. Is there any integer?
No, ma'am.
No. But minus 53.0 and minus 52. Is there any integer?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Just hold on.
53 minus
Hold on.
Minus 53.03.
Okay. Minus 53.03. Okay. What is the next value? In decimal point.
Decimal point. Minus 53.02.
Minus 53.02. Next.
Minus 53.01.
01. Next.
Minus 53.
Minus 53. Next.
It will continue.
No. You can take means you can divide by 10. Okay. Minus
52.09.
Okay. 09. Okay. Next.
Minus 52.08.
Okay. minus 52.08 and so on, so on, so on, so on, minus 52.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, here is minus 53.03. Okay. Now here is
Yes, ma'am.
minus 52. Is there any integer value in between that?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 53.
Then is there any integer value between that?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 53.
Then we can take minus 52 because we have to take only next integer value. Okay, we have to take the next integer. Means what is the next integer of minus 53.03? That is minus 53 na, only 53.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Also means we have to take like that. You just see, huh? Means in the case of only the negative thing, huh? Minus 53.03. The next integer is always greater value because the minus of greater value is less. Always minus of greater value is less. Okay. And what is the greatest integer? Greatest integer, the minus that value. Okay. Because 53.03 is greater than 53. And minus of greater value is always less. Understood, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Really understood though?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Good. Okay, now okay, shell function. I didn't explain now. Okay, what is the shell function? Shell function is opposite to the floor function. Okay, in floor function we take the down integer, and in shell function we just take the up integer which is greater than x. That means what is the okay, tell me what is the down integer of minus 89 point yeah, what is the down integer of minus 89.77?
90. Minus 90.
Okay, what is the up integer of 89.77?
Minus 89.
Minus
Minus-
89.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand, na? Minus okay, first tell me one thing, 89.77 and 89. Who is the biggest number?
99.77.
89.77. Okay. Then minus of biggest means it's the less valued number. Okay. Minus of 89.77 is less valued number than minus 89. Okay. Then what is the up integer here? Up integer obviously minus 89. Down integer is minus 90. Then the number of minus 89.77 means math dot floor is minus 90 and math dot cell function is minus 89. Then what is the cell function of 280? It's always up integer and next integer. Remind that.
281.
281.
Yeah, right. Next also 401.
One.
Good. Now logical operator. Logical operator also what is and, or, and not. Okay. Syntax of and: all are in small. Okay. All are in lowercase. Remind that all the keywords in Python are in lowercase, always in lowercase. Okay, that is A, N, D. Only the true false are in uppercase. Okay, means the first letter is in capital. Now, what is and? If the both expression or both condition true, then the main condition, or it will just throw it true. Okay, both condition have to be true. Now here A equal to false and B equal to true, then print A and B. Here one is false but one is true. That's why it's print only false. If I do A equal to true, then see A and B, it's print true. If the both condition are true, then it will print the true value. Okay. If one condition is false, then it will print false. Okay. Now here's the condition. X equal to 9, y equal to minus 12. Okay. Condition is if x greater than 0 as well as y greater than 0, then we call both are positive. Otherwise, both are non-positive number. Okay. Now what I take here? X equal to 9 and y equal to minus 12. Then one is true, one is false. That's why it print both are not positive number. Okay. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Means just remind that in and we have to choose always both are true condition. Okay. If both are not true, then it will print the another statement. Okay. Or is opposite of n. Means if one value is true, then it obviously print the statement is true. Okay. A equal to true, B equal to false, then print A or B, means it just print what? It print what?
A.
Oh,
True. Means
false.
yeah. False.
No, ma'am, true. Sorry, or me. Sorry.
In and both have to be true. Okay. In or one is true, one is false, it will be fine. Okay. It's true. Now check one condition, x equal to 9, same condition, x equal to 9, y equal to minus 12. Then one condition means if the one condition is true in or, then it will print the main statement. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the logic of true false?
True false. Okay. The logic of true false is I take what? X equal to 9, it's a positive number. And here y equal to minus 12, it's a negative number.
Yeah.
And check the condition here. X, I write what? X greater than 0. It's true.
Yeah.
But y greater than 0, is it true?
False, ma'am.
False.
Then one condition is true and one condition is false. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But here I use only the or. Okay. In or, one would be true, one would be false, it will be fine. It just print the real statement. Okay. Means main statement. But in the case of and, just see x equal to 0, it's true. but y greater than 0. It's false because here y is the negative integer. That's why it's print both are not positive number, means that the else condition. Okay, because we using and here. In and both condition have to be true. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now see, one of them must be positive. It's print. Okay. I just clear it out. Yes. What it will print? Tell me fast. What it will print?
True.
It will print true. Okay. Means all are agree with it. It will print true.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, false. False.
It will
False.
print
It will
false.
print false.
Okay. Anything else?
Print false.
Okay. All are going to be false. Okay. Tell me the explanation first. Who told me it? Is it true? Who told me it? Is it true? Means it will print true. Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
No, ma'am, it's false.
Okay. Then explain it.
Because here list and in that square bracket you have written 1 is greater than 0, and list in square bracket you have written L2 is less than 0. Ma'am, here -8, -9, they are less than 2, and sorry, yes ma'am, they are less than 2, and 2, 4 and 6 they are greater than 1.
Okay.
Above statement
Okay.
for list and in square bracket 2, it doesn't satisfy that condition. That is why it is printing false.
Okay. Anyone, anything else?
And here in the list at first index it is given 4 value which is greater than 0.
Okay.
And in the list at index second here the value is 0, 1 to -8 which is less than 0. So
Yeah.
both condition are true, hence it will print false.
Yeah, it's right. I means I'm just right false here because I wanted to do you guys are in confusing condition. Okay, nothing else. I'll leave it. That's the true. L of 1 means what? L of means we starting least. We starting at 0. Means it's the 0th value, it's the first value, it's the second value, it's the third value, and it's the 4th value. We're starting from 0 in the list. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, L of 1 means what? It's 4. It's greater than 0. And L of 2 means 0, 1, 2. It's -8. -8. It's also less than 0. Both conditions are true. And both, if the both conditions are true, then the condition will be true. Okay. Then both conditions true. That's why it's print the main statement. Main statement means in the print the false. It's print false. Okay. Oh, sorry. I put double. Oh. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means if is there any confusion, please tell me. Okay. I will explain 100 times. But please clear it out. Now, what is not? Not is nothing. Means not true means it will print false. Not false means it will print true. Okay. Means if the condition is true, then not the condition means it will print false. Okay. Like that. Now, A equal to true. The condition is true means I just written here A equal to true. Now print not A means it will print false. See, not true means it's as simple as that. Means not true means it's false, obviously. Now I take one list L equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Print 6 not in L. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Will print false.
No, it prints
True.
true because
Oh, sorry.
6,
Yes, ma'am.
6 not
Six is
in
not in
L.
this.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
If 6 in means 6 in L, then it print false because 6 is not there. Okay. Logical operator done. Comparison operator. Comparison operator. What's the comparison operator? Comparison operator, nothing else. It's compared two or more than two values. Okay. Nothing else. It just compare the values. Now, equal to. A equal to B. Means if the values are equal, then it will print 2. If the values are not equal, then it will print false. Now I take here A equal to 3 and B equal to 4. Okay. Both the value is not true. Means 3 not equal to 4 means 3 equal to 4. It's not true. That's why it's print false. Okay. Exclamatory sign with equal to. That means it's not equal to sign. Okay. Now 3 not equal to 4. It's true. That's why it print means true. Okay. Now greater than, I already know A greater than B. That is the trick. A less than B. No. No, na? Means, or I have to explain. Greater equal to less equal to, we know. Alright, tell me na.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Then equal. A equal to 2, B equal to 2. Print A equal to B. Both are equal. That's why it print 2. First, tell me the answer. Second, tell me the answer.
False.
False.
False. Yeah, right. Second, third.
Is equal to 10.
Nice.
Print. Print what?
Sorry.
False.
Very false. Yeah, obviously false. Now not equal. Okay, first one.
And true.
True.
False.
True, madam.
True, ma'am.
False and true.
Not equal to.
True.
Not equal to. 2 obviously
True.
not equal to
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
True. Next.
Yes, ma'am. True.
False.
False.
Yes.
And
Yes. Next. First.
True.
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 Next.
False.
False.
True.
Yes.
And true.
False.
Good. Nothing else is there. Next.
It's greater than or equal to.
True,
And true.
ma'am.
Next.
True, ma'am.
True.
It's
True,
true
true.
is greater.
It's.
True.
True.
Yes. And true.
It's.
True.
It's
True.
Yeah.
True, ma'am.
Good. You are doing great job. Membership operator. Now, what are the membership operator? Membership operator is nothing but it's in. In and not in. Both are the membership operator. Okay. Means it's just find whether the value is in the variable or in the sequence of number or in the iterable or anything. Okay. It just find means the value is in the variable or in the iterable or anything. Okay, it just test. That's called in membership operator. First, check in. Okay. S equal to I love Python. Print. What's print? String. Means all the values of string are character. Character means it's also a string. Character is what? Character is one length string. Okay. In Python, both are similar. Character and string. Python. Print I. Is I in S. Caps I. Is it in S? Obviously it's in. That's that time it print true.
True.
It's the membership operator. Now print INS.
False.
Good.
False.
Next VNS.
True.
Yes.
true.
Means it's also take the substring of the operator. Okay. Just hold on. Okay. Print. Now tell me.
True.
True,
Yes.
ma'am.
And nothing is there.
Why? Why it's false?
Because you have not written anything on the string inside in that. Double quotes.
Because I take here what? It's is. Is means is equal to. Is not membership operator. Okay. In membership operator, I have to take in. In is true. Okay. Because there is no space. And in string, space is also character. Means print is, sorry. Print is. What is the length function here? First, I told you. What is the length function here? Length function in Python is it's just counting the character.
Length of the string.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's just counting the character in the string. Yeah. Then what is the length of this?
13.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I will count. Why it's
13.
starting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
9,
8,
10 and 2
9, 10.
spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13, not 14. Okay. It counting also spaces. Okay. Now space is also a character and in is in membership operator, not is. Is another thing. Okay. Now space is in membership operator. It's true. What about yellow?
Ma'am,
False.
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 False. Okay. You are right. What about that?
True.
True.
Yeah. Now I think you got it. What about that?
False.
False.
Yeah, you are perfectly right. What about that?
False.
False.
Yes. Not it means also you know, I think. Sorry. Yeah. Now, what did you print?
True.
True.
Yes. Good. Now it's fine. So waste our time. Keep working. Okay. What is the past statement? The past statement is a null statement. You know about commented, right? Means comment. What is the comment?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the comment?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the comment?
Comments are the user-defined words that are written by user to know why we are writing particular code.
And
It is written for single line comment. We use hashtag, and for multiple line comment we use triple quotes.
what is the difference between hashtag and triple quote?
Hashtag is used for single line comment.
No.
And
Other than that means.
I don't know.
Okay. Hashtag is used for only the comment. Okay. But in triple inverted comma, it's a docstring comment. Means when we take the documented string like is equal to, I want to string, it's a multiple line string. Okay, I love Python. Okay, now print this. See, okay, now is equal to love. Okay, sorry. It's take the see the difference. Got it? The difference. Hashtag is used for only the commentary. Okay, but double string, triple inverted comma is used for doc string also. Means when I take a 3 or 4 line string or anything, means more than 2 line string or anything, means doc string, documented string, then we can use triple inverted comma also. Okay, that's the main difference. Now past statement. What is the past statement? The past statement is a null statement. The difference between comment and past statement is that while the interpreter ignores a comment entirely, we already know comments mean the interpreter ignored that line entirely. Okay, means when I commented out S is not defined, means the interpreter ignored the line entirely. But in past statement, interpreter not ignored that line. Okay, suppose we have a loop or a function that is not implemented yet, but we want to implement it in future. They cannot have empty body. Like this is the for. Okay, it's a iterable or it's a sequence of character. Okay, I use for here. For value in that sequence. Okay, I means I don't want to implement it. I want to implement it in the future. Okay, now if I execute the for, it will throw some error, unexpected EOF while push or something. Okay, but if I use pass here, it means it's so it just executed. It's showing means it doesn't showing any kind of error. See, it just executed. Means when we want to implement it, means for loop or function or anything in future, in that time we use the past statement. Okay, that's the means main thing in past statement. Now You don't know about function, but it's a function. Okay. In Python, we just def function means we have created using def keyword and function. Def function is a function. If I execute it without the pass statements, means with the empty body, it will throw an error. Okay. If I using pass here, then it doesn't throwing any kind of error. Okay. See, if x equal to 5, x greater than 0. I don't want to print now. Okay, I want to print some another time. Then if I execute it, then see, it's showing some error. Okay. Now I just written pass here and execute it. See, it's throwing, means it doesn't throwing any kind of error. That's the using of pass statement. Okay, got it now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Shall I wrap up here or break and continue? I will tell.
Please teach.
Okay. Then what is the break statement? Break statement is nothing else. It just terminate the loop containing it. Control of the program or flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. Okay. If the break statement inside a nested loop, the break statement will terminate the innermost of the loop. Okay. Syntax is nothing else. Syntax is only break. Now see, already know for loop, then for element in Python means elements are what? P-Y-T-H when? Okay. If element equal to H, then break the loop. Okay. And print, next I just print Eli and print break the for loop. Okay. Now I will execute it. See? It will print PYT and break the loop. Now see. For Eli in Python means in first line, Eli is what? First Eli equal to tell. Eli equal to what? It's,
Python.
no.
Ma'am,
It's
first statement.
It's a P, means it's a iterable, and for the variable means iterate over the iterable means it will go one by one. Here first one is P, means first LE is P. Then it will check for if LE equal to P, means here it's H, means P equal to H. Condition is false. Then it just print the LE. Okay, it's print P. Next element is what? Means next LE is what? It's Y.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Y equal to Y. H. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it true? Y equal to
Y
H.
is... No, it's not true.
It's not true. That's why it print Y. Okay. Next LE is what? T.
T.
T equal to H. Is it true? No. Then it print LA means T. Now next LA is H. Now H equal to H.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
And it's break the loop. Means when we using break, means it break the whole loop. Okay. Then see, it will break the loop and the interpreter go outside of the loop. And the outside of the loop is what? It just print break the for loop, and it will print break the for loop. Okay. Where I use break means in the loop, that when the condition is true, for break, it will break that loop. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the output.
I is equal to 0 while true print I. Um, PYT.
Out of while loop.
Out of while loop is means out of the loop statement, means it have to print the out of while loop because it's the outside of the looping, na. So
Yes, ma'am.
in before out of while loop, what it will print?
PYT.
PYT. Okay, explain.
Ma'am, because here S is equal to Python and I is equal to 0.
Okay.
While true, print S, and here you have given the index of that I.
0, 0, yeah.
Yes, ma'am, 0. And if S and that index of I is equal to.
C S0 is what? P?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain.
Then, ma'am, if S of I is equal to H, or S of I is equal to 0, it will break the statement.
Not 0, it's O, character.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Oh.
Yeah. It's okay.
Then I plus is equal to 1, and it will come out of the loop.
Okay. Perfect. X equal to 0 means first is P. P equal to 0. Is it true? Not true.
Yes.
It P equal to O. Is it true? It's not true. Then it's print what?
It will print PYT.
P0 P. Okay. Next, I equal to I plus 1 means 0 equal to 0 plus 1. Then S of I equal to means S of 1 means what? Y. Then it print first Y. Then it check Y equal to H? No. Y equal to O? No. Then again it continues with in the loop. Then 1 plus 1 is true. Then print what? X equal to 2?
Yes,
Print X equal to T. T hoega lo. Then T equal to H. T equal to true. Both are not true. That's why it will go for I plus equal to 1. Means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Print S of 3. Print H first. Then it will check the condition here. S of 3 means H. H equal to H. Then it break the loop, and out of the loop is what? Is print out of the while loop. Then it will print P Y T H and out of the while loop. Understood? Python always running line by line of the code. That's why it's called interpreted language. Okay. Means first print, p print, then it will check the condition, then second line, then third line, then it will execute always line by line. Now, the continue statement. The continue statement is what? Continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration only. Means for the current iteration, it skips the value. Okay. Loop does not terminate but continues with the next iteration. When I use continue statement, loop doesn't terminate like break. When I use break, if the condition is true, then it break the loop. Okay. But when I use continue statement, it will not break the loop. Okay. It just keep the present iteration only. Okay. The current iteration. Now for a range in 5, range of 5 mane we already know 0 to 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if a equal to 2 means first a is what? It's 0. Then 0 equal to 2. It falls. Then print a. It falls means it doesn't execute that line. It means continue. And it prints 0. Next a is what? It's 1. 1 equal to 2. 2. It's also false. Then it print 1. Now next a is what? It's 2. Now 2 equal to 2. If I use break here, then break the loop and just print 0, 1. Okay. But in the case of continue, it skip the current iteration. Means here a equal to 2, the condition is true, then it will not print the 2. Okay. Again, it's going to the loop. A is what? A is 3. 3 equal to 2, it's false. Again, it print A. And the case of 4, again, it's print 4. See. Understood? It just keep the 2 values. Where the condition is true, okay, then it keeps that statement. Okay, means current iteration only it skips. When the a value equal to 2 means 2 equal to 2, it's the means right condition, means the condition is true. That's why it skips the 2 values. Okay, understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
In next, let's see. String. Input, enter a string. Okay. Already know, take an input. Raise means it's a variable. Where I take, it's a means null string, nothing. Okay. Just as it's string valued, there was nothing. For I in string, string means what I take as a input. I in string, I dot lower in A, E, I, O, U. Okay. If the I value is vowel, means if it is A, E, I, O, U, then continue. Otherwise, it will going in the for loop. Okay, check. The string is now she. The string is Sima Punita. Okay. Then string for I in string means I is what? I is first S. I dot lower. Lower means Zani already. We know about lower.
Yes, ma'am.
Lower is just the character in lowercase.
letter.
Okay, yeah. I dot lower means I is s dot lower means it's already in lowercase. Okay, it's is lower. Now we know about in. In is a membership operator. S in AEIOU, it's false. Then it will go for raise equal to raise plus 1. Okay. Then print what? Nothing. Raise. Then raise equal to raise plus 1. Again, it will go for I. Next I is what? E. Now,
It will continue.
continue means it's keep the value.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's not will be raise equal to raise plus 1. Okay, it just skip that term. Okay. Next I is again E. It's also true. Okay, now just see the answer. See?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Means it just print the all the consonant value. Now tell me the result. Oh, okay. Maybe you don't know about join function. Append you know. I know
Yes,
already,
ma'am.
but you don't know about join, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just explain. Okay, first I want to see one thing. X equal to okay. If I take least s, then what it will print? Tell me first. Sorry.
UNITL.
In list. Okay, means it's a sequence of character in list. Means there are only PUNITL. Okay. What happened? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's a string to list. Okay. Using join function, we just convert in list to string. Okay. Now just take one list L equal to sorry. Now what is the join function here? So equal to dot join L. Oh, sorry. Print see. Join function is what? Join function is convert a a list to string, and join function takes one argument, that is list. Okay, that is only list. Join function is convert list to a string. And if I use one delimiter here, maybe at the rate, then you just join with that list. See, L at the rate O at the rate V at the rate. If I use space here, Okay. Whatever you want, you can use here with the delimiter, and dot join is the convert the list from string. Okay. Now tell me the output here.
First, we need to give input to the string.
Obviously. Any input, take any input. Tell me the input.
Your name.
My name, not
Yes, ma'am.
my name.
And then Subhasmita's name.
Python.
Yes, ma'am.
Not only Python. Sure.
If I know. It will print R, T, F, C, L, then N, T.
Means
double-
without the vowel.
Yes, ma'am. It will
Let's
print without the vowels.
see. Yes, you were right. But see one thing. Here,
It is printing the first letter of that artificial intelligence.
yeah, means A
Is
is
it not in
capital.
lowercase?
Not in lowercase, but I use here I dot lower. It means it convert into uppercase to lowercase. Means Python is consonant, right? Then see. Please dot depend. What happened?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Got it.
I was wrong. I just for the sake I don't know. Yeah, I used it. Okay, you got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Means whole the thing you got it. Means for I in string first is p dot lower, not in vowel, list of vowel. Then it just append the list value, means raise. Also do one thing, print raise. Yeah, raise dot depend means pyt without the verb. Okay, got it. Okay, no more today. Already for this. Have you means done your dinner?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.